Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're at the Woolyburger Cemetery. We came back at nighttime. I know you guys want me to see it. Come on, Kane! Kane! Come on, Anthony!
Kane!
I heard a gunshot.
Yes, let's go, guys.
I heard a gunshot.
Hell no. Fuck this shit.
Come on. Old man.
I heard a gunshot. I put my head
He's
down.
gonna bring his dog out here in a minute. Let's go. Well, we better go. Come on, Kane, let's leave.
Told y'all.
A gunshot. I heard it.
I don't fuck around with this shit.
I just heard that gunshot. That old man's mean, man.
I still record it.
Kane, get up here with me.
I heard a gunshot.
Let's go.
I'm gonna shake this motherfucker.
Let's leave. Dog will kill us. No,
You
because
hear
Kane will
barking, we
shoot
get
it.
the running.
Kane will shoot it.
I'm glad you got that on camera.
Let's just go.
Damn.
Come on, man, crazy. One of the people has family over here. Let's just leave.
Quiet.
Hold on.
You gotta make it down
Pull your
safely.
gun out. Just pull it out.
Oh shit.
Pull the fucking gun out. Give me that motherfucker.
I'm perfectly fine where it's at. Y'all could blind to me, I could see.
I don't give a fuck. I'll shake this bitch.
Why'd y'all go down in there anyway?
I told you do not
Down
come here.
Yeah, this place is dangerous.
Well, we're leaving.
They're coming in the daytime.
We're gonna
Fine.
come during the day.
I heard, the minute I heard
You're
that.
blinding me, son. Let's just go.
The minute I heard a gunshot, I was gone.
I'm like, what is that?
Told you.
We're leaving. He sees
That
us
was
leaving,
him.
probably.
We called a cop. You know somebody in here.
Oh yeah.
I got a recorder.
I'm glad you recorded that shit. Scared the hell out of me. Don't fall, Rosie.
Hey,
What?
I heard someone talking.
Should have stayed. Worry about
we're
that
getting some
gunshot.
activity going on. Cut them down.
Ah, twisting my fucking ankle.
We're just hearing something.
Sorry language, guys, sorry.
He got a gun.
Good. I'm going that Woody. Head on up.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. Wait.
You guys, Kane. Come here.
You see somebody moving?
Yeah.
Somebody's moving.
Are they something here?
Guys, do not come here by yourself. It's got gunshots. I don't know if you've seen
Are
me.
they something here?
There you go. I know you can see me now. Perfect.
Turn the walkie-talkie on.
Kane. Kane. Come here. Kane. There's something over there. Scared. Okay, no damn dog. OMG.
What?
Oh. Oh, you hear that?
Shorty.
I know. I heard something over here.
Shorty.
Hello?
You know, I heard something too.
There's somebody down here.
I hear a woman. Kane!
There's something all over me, dude.
Come down here.
Kane!
I know, I heard
Come
it over there too. Yes, there's somebody over here. I heard it too.
Kane! Now!
Anthony, come over here now.
Come on, Kane, come here quick!
Oh, did you hear that? Oh shit, there's somebody over here. Oh shit.
We heard a woman.
Oh shit. There's somebody over there.
Yeah, somebody over there.
Good.
Give me a flashlight. Give me a big light.
I heard somebody talking back here.
Somebody.
Stay right here.
Ain't nobody down there.
Somebody's here. I can feel it. This is what happened when you're in the middle of the night of a freaking cemetery.
Somebody's in here.
There is somebody here.
Somebody's in here. There is. I heard it too.
Is anybody in here?
You want to communicate with me?
Sorry, guy.
Yep. See?
Make my KQ meter divide if you're still here. Make more noise.
There we go.
Damn it. There we go.
Hello? Can you give me a name?
You want a flashlight, Rosie? Here.
Look.
There's your flashlight. Right there at the button.
Wow. Hey, where you going?
What's he doing?
Don't worry about it.
He got a gun
Oh, I'm
anyway.
taking a picture.
I'm freezing to death.
Guy, we'll use weapon because we'll have no short.
Rosie.
Did you remember me? I came here during the daytime.
Rosie. Anthony. Somebody record for me, please. Record this.
Can you say my name, Jane? Remember me?
Leave.
Her say leave.
You want us to leave? Can you tell me where you're at? Get out. Where are you?
Can you make my KQ meter spiking all the way?
We have some lights here. Can you flash it to red?
Right before we leave.
Yes. It's laughing at me.
Do you hear the gunshot? Who shot it?
Did you get that? What?
Can you tell me who got the gunshot? Is that the owner? If yeah, then yeah. Do you know why we stay away from the cemetery?
It's a
The
kid.
hell? Kane's over there, I see him.
What's your name? You killed your family. in this forest. Am I right?
Is that a little girl still here? Do you remember me? I came down to the forest.
Oh.
Do you miss us? You missed me? I came back.
I said, help me, please.
I know. We feel bad for you. Do you remember I put the quarter back up here for you? You think thing? I heard that. I would say you're welcome. I pray for you. Usual. That's a kid, I think. Kid, how old are you?
Are you too scared to enter?
I'm not too scared to enter, but there's a gunshot.
Are you the one that shot the gun?
Oh, my foot. Oh, foot.
You are.
Here, come on out. Oh.
What's your name? Where's Kane?
Kane's all the way down there.
Kane! What's your name?
You guys safe down there?
What is it?
You guys safe down there?
Tell Kane.
Yeah, we are.
Tell Kane come here for a minute.
Tell Kane come over here real quick.
What's going on?
My mom need him real quick. What the fuck?
You're blinded.
I can't help it, Dan. Why are you freezing?
What is it?
Dude, I'm freezing to death. It's cold. Rosie, are you cold?
She ain't cold at all.
We're coming down.
Guy, this is creepy. We never seen this before. Hold on, guys.
Can you leave me a video?
I don't think I'll like it.
There's not making that sound.
Wait, I heard you talking to you like that.
Hello?
You're good.
The bad presence here.
Oh.
Whoa, whoa.
Big orb. Right beside my mom.
It's on you, Betty.
Some reports indicate the name.
The path is over there.
Okay.
Associated with the cemetery because
Can you give me your energy?
like creatures.
Yeah, this place is very dangerous. I'm trying to tell y'all. Very dangerous.
Will you smack my hand? If you do.
Give me your name.
You that gunshot though.
You got gunshot.
Scared the hell out of me.
I went, what? First time I came here at 3 a.m., there's no gunshot.
Me too. This is my first time here in the middle of the night.
Can you make my K2 meter all the way to red?
Does anybody here recognize me?
You remember Anthony and me came here? Did you see it?
Benjamin, are you here?
Yo, we just saw something down here.
We saw the figure run into the
Right
forest.
down here.
I did. He was like, I saw
like
it.
a white figure just right across.
Yeah, it's what it is.
Do you remember me coming here with you?
Butcher.
I know for a fact my girlfriend died over that way.
That's what it was.
Right up top of the hill. That's where she got attacked. I don't think she's down here, but I guess we'll find out.
Can you make your energy? Tell me where you are.
Tell me where you're hiding.
Listen.
Lights off, lights off, lights off, lights off,
Listen.
lights
Listen.
off.
You got me fucked.
Ain't my light that's on.
No. All right,
You hear that?
go. I got warm up. Let's go.
What is that?
Shh, shh, shh.
Yeah, we gotta get out of here for that dog home.
Come on.
I heard it. I heard a dog. What is-
Come on, you guys.
Where's Leslie? Come on, Leslie.
Come on, Rose. Do not leave us. Oh my God, for God's sake, don't.
I'll stay behind her.
What's his name? Butcher? Willie Butcher?
I'll sacrifice to keep you
Willie
off in front
Butcher,
of
are
me.
you here? Willie Butcher, why did you kill your family? Are you upset because we're here?
We're near the car. I got a feeling about something, man. What is that?
I don't know. I saw something white.
Okay.
Why are you so mean? Open the car and how about it? Come on now. Come on, you look at your family. High five.
Fucking sheriff. I ain't allowed to have a
Up
gun.
here.
I ain't allowed to have a gun.
Come on.
Is that a sheriff?
No.
Alright, I ain't allowed to have a gun. Sheriff.
I'll lock the doors, Kane.
Alright, guys. Have a good time. I gotta get off here.